G'day! So back again with the Model O Glorious mouse, or Glorious Model O mouse, and I'm trying to do the mouse wheel again. This time I've got a different part. This one here is for a Steel Series mouse. It cost about $8 Australian off AliExpress, and so far at a glance it's looking like it may fit. So let's find this out. Getting these apart is very straightforward. Take the feet off the bottom, Phillips head screwdriver from there, top comes off, move that out of the way. We have to take this little LED board off here. Also a Phillips head screwdriver. Get that out of the way, fold that out. It's looking closer that this one will fit. We're about the same size here. Maybe a fraction longer, hopefully that won't matter. And this shape up here looks to be very similar. So I'm hoping, bit of luck, this will work. We're in. I can feel it clicking as I go around. I'm going to plug this in now and see if I get mouse scroll on the PC. Here we go. And I'm getting mouse scroll on the PC. Brilliant. I'll put this together and then I'll demonstrate it once more. It does have a bit of rock to it. I'm not sure if that's normal for this particular model of mouse, because we do have a fair bit of sideways movement. Comparing it over here, it does seem to have a bit more shaft movement, but over here we aren't functioning. If I push it over here, we are. Oh, no, that should work no matter the positioning of that. Brilliant. So at a quick glance, this particular Steel Series of mouse scroll looks to be compatible. Let's see if we pass the second problem. Right, LED fits in there. Cool. Move that forward. Put the screw in. Have a look at this. So the mouse scroll's going fine, it's not hitting anything. It does it slip that way a little bit. We aren't pushing in as far as I would like it into the pot up here, the rotor pot, which is what detects how it spins. This should slide over the front here. Push down. 2 screws go in the back here. I'm hoping the plastic that surrounds the mouse will now stop it from rocking too far to the side. Go and put the feet back on. May need to replace these depending how well they came off. Teflon feet. Okay, let's try mouse wheel. So it does spin, it is fairly loose, but I think that's about as good as it's going to be able to get on this particular one. It isn't quite as wide as the existing one. But being if you have a mouse with no mouse wheel versus a mouse with mouse wheel, the click itself seems to be okay. I think I'd much rather go with. Anyway, let's have a look on the computer. So as you can see, we do have a bit of a light bleeding out of the side here, so it's not quite fully covering the LED. But being that's probably going to be in your hand, you're not really going to be looking down here while you're using it. You have a look up here at the mouse scroll. Scroll seems to be fine. Middle click seems to be fine. But yeah, it's not going to be as good as the original, but for a cheap fix, that one should go okay. Anyway, hope that helps you guys with your repair on this, on the glorious Model O. I'll see you guys later.